welcome back. It's been another interesting week of trading. And, if you hear noises in the background, that's my little munchkin, my apprentice. I've even set up an apprentice cam, so you can get a peek of him every now and again. So yeah, he's right here with me. So you'll probably hear him chime in every now and again. I'll try and translate for you if you don't understand baby. All right. So where are we at? Before we get started, I do want to talk to you for a minute about something I could use your help with. As I mentioned before, we're trying to raise money for the business in a hurry, but we want to do it in a way that benefits our supporters. That being the case, first of all, a huge thank you for those of you who saw the last video and started following me on ZuluTrade. I've gotten dozens of new followers since publishing the video, which means we'll be able to raise money more quickly. Thank you so much. Also, if you're not following me on ZuluTrade but looking for a way to supplement your income, consider following me. Take a small portion of your savings, sign up with ZuluTrade using the link in the description below. I also included a link to the video where I talk about ZuluTrade in case you need more information. So moving on. Last week, we ended the week at 68% overall profit with a balance of $412. 2 trades were left open over the weekend. Let's look at that right now. Okay, on Monday, we had a really good day actually, Monday. We ended with a balance of $417. We closed the basket from Friday, okay, along with 4 new trades, right? The little basket of 3, that was kind of a fast move. When you see a basket that closes in that short a time, it opens 3 trades in that short a time and closes in that short a time, that was a fast move. And obviously we called it wrong, but we got out. So it's all good. Anyway, we ended with 1 trade open for the day, but we managed to close, what do we got? 2, 5, 6 trades. So it was an amazing trading day. Tuesday, after a half day of nothing, finally we closed the trade that opened on Monday. And then we got 2 new trades closed and 2 more were opened, as you can see here. So these 2, and they were kind of puny. I can't even see what the pips were. But still, we closed 2 new trades. So a total of 3. So I can't call that a bad day because, according to my own rules, 3 or more trades closed in a day is a good day. But we had this basket of 2 that was opened. So that was Tuesday, right? Yeah, we're on Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday. So Wednesday kind of was weird. We got almost to half the day with nothing, and then a new trade opened to make that a basket of 3. Eventually, near the end of the day, that one closed, and what did we get? 3 new trades. Let me see. No, 2 more trades closed. Those 2 right there. And then 3 new trades opened. Oh my goodness, look at that move though. That's crazy. How many pips is that? So from there, let's just see, from the bottom of the channel to the top of the channel. There's 73 pips in the space of, these are 15-minute candles, so this is like the space of an hour. If I turn the bars on, that's about 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, in the space of an hour, 73 pip move. Okay, so we closed 5 on Wednesday, which is great, right? 3 or better. Remember, 3 or better is a good day. So we closed 5 on Wednesday. we have a basket of 3, which sounds kind of exciting because, tomorrow we should have hopefully 3 closes, right? But we go to Thursday and Friday and nothing. Absolutely nothing. That basket from Wednesday is still open. It's still open. I'm gonna show you the future here too, right? This is next week's video, and we're really not all that close to break even, right? In fact, at the end of the week, we were way up here, which was, let's measure that. We were, 92 pips away from break even. So she took the baby away. I had my apprentice cam set up and everything. And he's gone. What the heck? I was going to have him give a little commentary and everything. I thought he would get too quiet. She took him away. I didn't even notice. All right. So I was all excited, man. I was all excited about showing off the baby. Oh, well. Anyway, so the week started out great. We had 3 amazing days. And then 2 days of nothing. But what did we do? I think we've closed a total of, maybe 15 or 16 trades for the week? Which, if we'd have done 3 a day, would have been 15. So we did in 3 days what my expectation is for 5. So it was an amazing trading week. But yeah, now we're in this basket, and now if you look at the current price, it's actually getting closer to the break even. So that's encouraging. But when the week ended, it wasn't looking like that. It was 92 pips away at least from the break even, and then it had to move another 5 pips before a trailing stop begins. So we're talking almost 100 pips to get out of this round. But we're closer now. And hopefully, price will continue going downward. See, now we've only got about 44 pips to get the break even. So, but yeah, it was a great week. And again, you guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to see all the new subscribers on the ZuluTrade account. Now, here's something too. Eventually, I'm going to be migrating off of ZuluTrade, but I have to have my infrastructure in place in order to support, hundreds and possibly thousands of users. And the core software is all done and it's all working. It's been tested and it's verified for years, but I don't have like a sign up page. I don't have any of the user experience done, which I'm going to need to find somebody to build that for me because I don't have time to build that for myself right now. I've got a number of other apps that I'm working on right now. So it's going to be a while. So it's still a good opportunity for you to get in on ZuluTrade. The link is in the description. And like I said, the signal is doing really well. I've got some investors are doubling their money in 2 months, which, I'm not recommending, but I can't tell them how to do their stuff, right? So, but they're kicking butt and they're loving it. My suggestion is, what is it? I think for every $700 in the account, increase your multiplier by 1, right? So if you have $1,400, use a multiplier of 2. But some of these guys are trading with 500 to 1 leverage, so they're really cranking up those multipliers, and they're just raking in the bucks. But I'm not saying that you're going to rake in the bucks. I'm saying if you want a nice, reliable supplement to your income, use the conservative settings, put a reasonable amount in, and every month you should be able to withdraw some profits to use for paying bills or whatever it is that you need that extra money for, right? Me personally, for example, I'm going to take the money that comes out of this account. This is a live account that I'm trading right now. But the money that I withdraw from this account is going to go straight into my crypto account. And I'm going to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the 2 things that I buy with when I buy cryptos. And I strongly suggest you guys do the same. If you have any money that you're not spending, that you're not cash flowing, that you're just saving for an emergency fund or something like that, take a portion of it and put it into crypto, because the cryptos are going crazy now, and they are here to stay, and they are going to be more stable than the dollar when, over time. And trust me, it'll be worth it. Even if you just take 1% of whatever you have stashed away and convert it to Bitcoin, you won't regret it. You will thank me. All right, that's really all I have. We've covered a lot of information. We've had a really, really good week right up until the end of Wednesday. And now it's a waiting game to see if we get out of this basket. But even with just 3 days of active trading, we still hit our target of potentially 3 trades per day, which was awesome. I guess we should take a quick look at the Myfxbook. Let me look at that real quick. So here's our high water mark is 102%, which is bogus. I mean, I think it was 97%, right? But this thing it's not calculating the numbers quite so correctly. And today, this thing stops on the 16th because that was Wednesday. That was the last activity. We're at 72%, but we had dropped down to 51%. So we're making some really good progress getting towards the high water mark. And again, the high water mark, according to Myfxbook, is 102%. And we're really not that far away. Another couple of weeks and we'll be really close, if not past the high water mark. Assuming we get out of this trading round anytime soon, which I'm really hoping we get out of it pretty soon. What else down here? Let's look at the stuff down here. So if we go here, so check this out. We're already up. Well, this month is pretty close to over. We got 10 days left in the month, 11 days left in the month, but we're already 14% gains over last month. Last month was kind of, it ended poorly. So down 3% from the previous, but we're up 14% now from there, and we still got 11 days left in the month. I don't expect a whole lot because, it's iffy. These next 2 weeks are going to be very volatile because a lot of people have already pulled their money out of the market, and there's going to be more people pulling their money out of the market. So all the liquidity that's left is just not that much. And so the price will fluctuate pretty violently in general. And this is going to happen pretty much through the first 2 to 3 weeks of January. Towards the end of January, people start putting money back into the market and the liquidity increases. But those first 2 weeks of January are brutal for traders. If you're following, like, for example, my signal on ZuluTrade, the day after Christmas, I'm going to start looking for opportunity to shut it down, right? And then I'm not going to turn it on until the 3rd week in January because, like I said, the volatility in those few weeks is just nuts. And sometimes it extends all the way to February, but hopefully this year it won't be so bad. It'll just be the first 3 weeks of January. That's really all I have. Is there anything left that I missed? I don't think so. I can't believe she took the baby away. That's like, all right. We're gonna have some words, me and the missus. I got the system all set up for a little commentary from the Munchkin, and she takes him away. Okay. Anyway, guys, like I said, I'm really having fun, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate the support that I'm getting from you. But let's keep it going. Let's get that money rolling in. Let's get you guys earning some money, and let's have a great end of the year and a great 2021. Hopefully 2021 will be a lot better than 2020. All right, guys, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.